Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here, and I do these videos just to educate women more on their bodies, how hormones work, and healthy tips you can shift and change every day to work with your hormones and get to your results a lot faster. My book, The Female Fat Solution, is on Amazon, and podcast, The Female Health Solution, is in all places podcast, where you can listen to podcasts at least. I wanted to talk about this. This is part 2 of this, where we talk about 24-hour intermittent fasting. This is a very specific type of fasting, and it's really powerful for women, but there's a couple of things you need to know so you're not doing it wrong. If you're doing this wrong, you're going to have an increase in cortisol. This is going to cause a shift in progesterone, right? That's what the estrogen, progesterone, right? Which is going to mess up your cycle. It's going to cause you to gain weight, and you're not going to be able to lose it. So all this intermittent fasting jazz that everybody's talking about, oh my God, it's intermittent fasting, I love it, it's so great, la la la. You're going to be like, this isn't working for me. Yeah, yeah, I know, because you need to do this right for women. So 24-hour fast, one of the first things that you need to make sure you're getting in there is the right little snacks, right? Keep your blood sugar going, keep your digestive system going. Without that, honestly, everything shuts down. It increases cortisol, which shuts down your metabolism. That's the thing that we women have to fight against so much more than men do. It's cortisol. It is the stress hormone that causes our systems to hold on to weight, just glob onto it and won't let it go. I know. So it's not about working out harder. It is not about eating less calories or any of that crap. It's not. It is about working with your hormones, and cortisol is one of the hormones. So getting the right snacks in, staying hydrated, of course, right? But also leading up to this, you need to make sure you're getting enough fuel in your system. If you're not eating enough and you're doing like a restrictive plan, oh, I'm going to cut calories, and oh, I'm going to cut these things down, that's going to be a really big problem when you try and do this fast, because your body's going to see it as a starvation mode. Again, leading you to the opposite of what you want to have happen. Your weight's not going to come off. You're going to have decreased energy instead of all these other really positive benefits that everybody's talking about. So get enough to eat beforehand, get the right snacks in, hydrate, and really handle your stress. That is very, very key to really shifting this for women. Again, this is specific for women. This is how the female body can really benefit. The last little tip that I'm going to tell you is that if you're doing some of this fasting and you really focus on it during the progesterone phase here, your body temperature is already higher. You have a higher basal body temperature, which means that you are going to be able to tap into some deeper fat burning stores at that time. That's a little secret that women get to take advantage of. So that's what I got for you guys right now. If you have any more questions, again, don't hesitate. I get questions all the time, literally every day, from women all over the world, because they're trying all these health tactics and they're feeling like nothing is working. They're feeling like, I sort of feel like I'm doing something right, but it's not really feeling right for me. You need to make sure that you're doing the right thing for your system all the time. So I'm going to put a link below this video where you can fill out an application to work with me one-on-one setting, because so many women just struggle, right? Stop doing what everybody else is doing. Stop following this cookie cutter plan. That does not work for everybody. I help women create a custom plan that works for you, your system, your hormones, and the amount of stress that you have. That way you know you're doing things day by day, week by week, throughout the month that are getting you closer to your goals. Hi, Potter. Yes, my voice is back. It's not 100%, but it is back. It is there. All right, that's what I got for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in. Share this video with other people that you know can use this info, and I will see you later.